mga kababayan. I hope you had a great weekend. This afternoon on the show, we'll be making it even better as we announce 3 winners of 5 tickets each to the Los Angeles County Fair. At mamaya po yan, abangan nyo po yan, yung mga makakapasok sa LA County Fair for free. Also, today on the show, we are going to talk about some serious business, human trafficking, slavery, oppression of women and children. Are you doing anything to help alleviate that? We're going to be talking about that today on the show as well as we define some progressive terms. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng feudalism or imperialism? Yan po, mga mabibigat na phrases we're going to be talking about today on the show. Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Kung saan po ngayong hapon sa Kababayan LA, bibigyan din namin kayo ng payo tungkol sa inyong mga legal concerns, particularly concerning real estate and mortgage laws. Here's Legal 1411 for you.
Itong Legal 411 segment ay galing para sa inyo mula sa Law Offices ni Johnny S. Ascano.
Attorney Johnny Ascano is joining us once again here on Kababayan LA for Legal 411. Attorney Ascano, in the past, how many Mondays, we've been talking about Chapter 13, Chapter 7, pero marami pa rin po yung tumatawag sa amin. They want to know about second mortgages. Paano po ba maapektuhan yung mga second mortgages?
Well, there are instances na pwede natin mapatanggal yung second mortgages. These are usually kung ang value ng property is really mababa na. Meaning, meron tayong kababayan na, we have a lot of clients coming in from our community na talagang biglang nahahati or halos 60% na lang yung value ng property nila compared dun sa utang nila. And in these instances, there are ways for us to basically, kung meron silang second mortgage, ipapasok natin yan through Chapter 13 na pwede natin silang ma-consider na secured credit na lang.
So, yung second mortgages pwedeng mawala, yung
Correct.
first mortgage lang. What about yung mga tinatawag na home equity line of credit? Naapektuhan din po ba yun pag nag-file tayo ng Chapter 13?
Yeah, obviously, napapasok na rin yan, mako-consider na rin yan na parang second mortgage dahil yung home equity nila, usually, inuutang nila yan, may equity sila, and then merong lien na meron silang lien sa property, mga second mortgages.
Okay.
And the second mortgages and equity line of credit, ganun din ang mangyayari sa kanila. And we have a lot of instances, pwedeng matanggal yan.
Okay, what about yung lien stripping? What is that? Can you define it?
It's pretty much similar, yung mga lien, yung home equity line of credit, that's considered a lien on the property, ano? Ang mga property nila, kunyari, utang sila ng malaking halaga dahil at that time, malaki yung property, yung value ng property nila at mababa na lang talaga yung mortgage nila at that time. Maraming mga instances at that time where banks would actually go and offer credit to our clients, you know.
Okay.
And then ngayon dahil mababa na lang yung value ng property, all of these things become part of the lien na lang. Nagli-lien sila sa property, and these liens can be stripped if we file a Chapter 13 and if it's approved by the trustee.
Okay, now we always talk about loan modification. We hear about that. It's one hot topic, no? And it's a service a lot of kababayans also need. They think they do anyway. But can it be relatable to filing for bankruptcy?
Well, the main concern yung sa mga kababayan natin na nag-a-apply ng loan modification ngayon, when they're in the middle of loan modification, tapos medyo nagkakaproblema sila sa kanilang mga creditors na tumatawag, medyo nade-delay sila, minsan yun ang nagiging issue. Ang mapapayo natin is, it depends really on the situation. Meron tayong mga kababayan na talagang mas magandang at that time, hintayin nila na matapos yung loan modification, and if it's really warranted, we can file a Chapter 7 pagkatapos. You know?
Okay. So, pwede
pa rin sila mag-file ng bankruptcy after ma-approve yung kanilang loan modification kung talagang kailangan.
Pero hindi pwede mag-apply ng bankruptcy first and then loan modification, right? Can it be interchangeable?
Well, you'd be surprised kasi meron din namang instances na talagang mataas yung kanilang monthly payments. Na kahit mag-apply sila ng loan modification, halos wala na rin silang maibabayad sa kanilang mortgage. So in those instances, kung talagang, kaya nga tawag natin dyan, depende talaga sa situation. Meron talagang situation na mas magandang mag-bankruptcy muna and then loan modification afterwards. Kasi ang mortgage naman, it's really related dun sa bangko, ano, with the bank. It depends on the bank, and there are instances na mas successful ang loan modification nila kung magba-bankruptcy muna sila.
Okay, and that is why Attorney Johnny Escano's office gives 30 minutes free initial consultation, because by that time, magigage na kung anong kailangan ng kliyente, correct?
Yeah, and really, every client is different. Hindi natin mapapasok sa isang basket lang yan.
Right.
So we sort it out for them, we give them their options, and then sila naman mamili kung anong gusto nilang gawin.
Ayan. At yan po ang numero na kailangan yung tawagan if you want to make an appointment for consultation. They have an office in Panorama City as well as in Los Angeles. Thank you so much for taking care of our kababayan, Attorney Escano.
Thank you again for your time, and I really appreciate it.
Ayan. More power to you.
Thank you.
Magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA with a firm. What is that about? We're going to be talking about that when we return. Don't go away.
There's only one place in the world that can provide you with free healthcare, free education, and exceptional job opportunities.